How's it going? This is Brandon Monday. Back out here shed hunting. Well, I haven't started yet, I just got here. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. And I'm fixing to shed hunt over there. That's all you get. Because, there's a lot of people, out there trying to shed hunt. Oh, almost just blew my own spot. What am I thinking? Yeah, found 4 sheds in here the other day on just one simple line in 2 hours of hiking. Maybe 4 hours of hiking, but 2 hours of actually being where I wanted to go. So, that being said, we're out here. I got the dogs with me. And yeah, the old red doozy right there. Super faithful. I beat the shit out of this truck, that's for sure. I don't know. It's crazy. I'm at probably almost 10,000 feet, maybe 95, where I'm sitting right now. And the elk sheds are at 95 or more on a south-facing hillside. Just cool. I'm excited. Hope I find some more, because all the ones I found 4 different years of sheds, from a brown to a super fresh one. Well, I mean, fresh hard white, I guess, from the year before. Out in the middle of an opening, stuck with his brow tines right in the dirt. And then before that, I found an old one under a log. You can't tell how old it is. It's cracked, but where the log was sitting on it, it was brown. So if it wasn't under that log, I bet you it'd be 3 years old. And then the one right before that had 4 aspen trees, or 2 aspen trees, maybe 3, laying on it. So, yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to get after it. Yeah. Just started raining. I hope it doesn't pick up, but I hope the wind doesn't start blowing, because my truck, I can't really park anywhere else where these trees won't fall on them. But it's funny, because if you walk over here, oh, someone was here. No. God dang it. God dang. Oh, maybe it was the dozer. There's a dozer. There's not a dozer. You don't know where I'm at. There's nothing, but looks like somebody cut some trees that had just fallen the other day. Not sure how old or how long they were sitting here, but not long. Seeing how there's other fresh tracks on here. God dang. Can't find any place anymore. I just hope they didn't hit. Hope I left enough boot tracks. Really do. Dang. It looks like it's not the dozer. Somebody cut it. There was it looked like a side-by-side or a 4-wheeler set of tracks came through here in the mud. But I don't see any in the dirt. But I mean, dirt was pretty hard. I mean, see the old dozer tracks? Dang, dogs running off. Yeah, this could be my last shed hunt for the year, depending on what I find. And I'm gonna send it. Sucks, because the first jaunt is down north facing hillside. part that sucks is it all looks like that. It don't look too bad on camera. I wish I could. How it looks on the camera doesn't look as bad as it is. Yeah, that's stupid. Let's see. Yeah, they're just all dead trees you got all over everywhere. So, I mean, kind of a cool picture. It's looking like it's gonna rain though. Those clouds are dark. Might stay over here for a little bit. Or at the truck. I don't know. What I do know is I'm in the woods, I'm happy, and that's how it goes. It's funny how stupid it is. Talk to these stupid cameras like this. Let's vlog. Let's make a video log. Everything. Especially shed hunting. Especially like, I don't know how long it's been since I found my first shed. 30 now. I know I found at least one when I was 13. And then didn't really start till I was 15, 16, yeah, probably 17. Actually looking for sheds. And then really got into it after that. And I remember days after days of hiking in spots, coming out with armloads and backpack fulls because we didn't have frame packs or anything. A lot of times I didn't have anything. I didn't even carry string or rope or anything to tie the sheds up with. Now, those days are gone for Colorado. Not like they're gone. There's just too many people doing it to where there's nothing left. It's not like there's less animals, there's just more people doing it. They're harder to find. And that's about it. There's looks like a fresh moose track. I wonder if that shows up. Well, there's a moose track. Or a big ass bull track. Guessing a moose track. In the mud, so it's fresh. Those damn freaking... I wonder when they drove through here. It must have been a four-wheeler because they missed some of the puddles. Huh. Right there. God dang. I just hope they're inexperienced shed hunters. Well, I mean, after seeing what I found the other day, right out in the wide open for most of it. Not really wide open, but easy spot. If you were gridding shit out, you would have found them all. Steep motherfucker, though. Beep. Steep ass hill, though. Not sure who wants to grid that crap out. No, I don't even want to get to the top. But if I start finding more antlers, I got months in here if there's a lot of antlers to actually hit all this. Months. And I have to start looking into logging roads that go up. I know there's one that could be possibly back there. I might have 3 miles to get to where I want to get to. But it's all downhill. And it's actually funny about the spot, because the only reason I came over here is I've looked at it before, but one of the first antlers I ever found, might even been the first, nah, I was probably 15, 16, 15. Younger, hunting with my uncle up here, and we took that other road in. I had a deer tag, I think for 3rd season, Colorado, and I found some deer and went after them, and that didn't work out, so I ended up going down to where they were bedded anyways, and where they were bedded I ended up stumbling on I think it was a 4-point. It was an old chalky antler, barely remember it, but I left it in the woods. Yeah. So wow, it says I got 11 minutes of recorded bullshit, talk about nothing. It's like, where's the best angle? Does that look good? That looks great. Double chin, you're fat. You're ugly. Yeah. Damn, it looks like it's gonna keep raining. Yeah, I'm gonna look up the weather. Peace.